Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
Can Allah create something bigger than Him?
Are you stupid?
No.
How dare you ask such questions about Allah Azza wa Jal as if He's your colleague or a friend? Asking, can He create something bigger than Him? You don't even know Allah. How could there be anything bigger than Allah Azza wa Jal? Subhanallah. These questions indicate that people don't have Iman. Because when you say Allah Azza wa Jal is the biggest in this universe, so He can't create something bigger than Him. So He's unable to create. A'udhu billah. Look how shaitan is messing up with your head. So can Allah create another God? No, because God is not created. Then Allah Azza wa Jal is unable to do. These are impossibilities. Allah's ability Azza wa Jal is over everything that is possible. The impossible cannot be. Can Allah kill Himself? What is this? These questions never cross the minds of real Muslims. It's either an agnostic trying to mess up with your head, or someone's Iman is depleted to zero because of watching the ex-Muslim websites and those who apostatized and left the fold of Islam, and he is convinced of their allegations. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us all.